Welcome to our exploration of 20 fruits and their incredible health benefits. Fruits are nature's gift, offering not only delightful flavors but also essential nutrients that can support our overall health and well-being. Join us as we delve into the specific health benefits of each fruit and discover some delicious recipes to incorporate them into your diet. 20 fruits and their health benefits. Number 1. Blueberries. Let's start with blueberries, renowned for their rich antioxidant content, particularly flavonoids like anthocyanins, which can support brain health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Blueberries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect addition to your diet. Recipe: 1 can make a refreshing blueberry spinach salad with feta cheese and a balsamic vinaigrette. Number 2. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are loaded with soluble fiber, which helps in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting a healthy digestive system. They're also a good source of vitamin C, supporting immune function and collagen production. Recipe: let's bake some cinnamon apple chips for a guilt-free snack that's both tasty and nutritious. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas are nature's energy bar packed with potassium that helps maintain proper nerve and muscle function. They also contain vitamin B6, which supports brain health and may improve mood. Recipe: join me in making a creamy banana oatmeal topped with honey and sliced almonds. Number 4. Oranges. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C content, which boosts immune function and promotes healthy skin. They also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which may protect against chronic diseases. Recipe: let's whip up a zesty orange chicken stir-fry with bell peppers and ginger. Number 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants like ellagic acid. They're known to reduce inflammation and may have anti-cancer properties. Recipe: enjoy a strawberry yogurt parfait with layers of Greek yogurt, fresh strawberries, and granola. Number 6. Kiwi. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit, loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. These nutrients support bone health, blood clotting, and digestive function. Recipe: let's prepare a tropical kiwi mango salsa to serve with grilled fish or tacos. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only refreshing but also hydrating with a high water content. It's rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may reduce the risk of heart disease. Recipe: blend watermelon, cucumber, and mint for a revitalizing summer cooler. Number 8. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This enzyme aids digestion and may reduce the severity of arthritis symptoms. Recipe: let's grill some pineapple rings and serve them with a dollop of coconut whipped cream. Number 9. Mango. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, promoting healthy vision, immune function, and skin health. They're also a good source of fiber and antioxidants. Recipe: indulge in a mango avocado salad with lime dressing and toasted nuts. Number 10. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are packed with powerful antioxidants, including punicalagins, which are beneficial for heart health. Visuals of pomegranate seeds. They may also have anti-inflammatory effects and help protect against certain types of cancer. Recipe: let's make a colorful quinoa salad with pomegranate seeds, cucumber, and fresh herbs. Number 11. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. It's also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins E, K, and B vitamins. Recipe: join me in making a creamy avocado mango smoothie with coconut milk and spinach. Number 12. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that may protect against heart disease and have anti-aging effects. They're also hydrating and rich in vitamin C and potassium. Recipe: Let's prepare a grape, goat cheese, and walnut salad with a honey balsamic dressing. Number 13. Cherries. Cherries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which may help reduce muscle soreness and arthritis pain. They're also a natural source of melatonin, promoting better sleep. Recipe: enjoy a cherry almond smoothie bowl topped with coconut flakes and dark chocolate. Number 14. Papaya. Papaya is rich in papain, an enzyme that aids digestion and supports a healthy immune system. It's also loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, promoting skin health and collagen production. Recipe: let's make a tropical papaya chicken salad with a lime cilantro dressing. Number 15. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their role in urinary tract health, thanks to their unique antioxidants. They may also have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Recipe: prepare a cranberry walnut quinoa salad with a citrus honey dressing. Number 16. Blackberries are rich in vitamins C and K, and they're packed with fiber which supports digestive health. They also contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that may help protect against chronic diseases. Recipe: let's make a blackberry chia seed pudding for a nutritious breakfast or dessert. Number 17. Raspberry. Raspberries are high in dietary fiber and antioxidants, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. They're also low in calories and packed with vitamins C and K. Recipe: let's make a raspberry almond tart using fresh raspberries and almond flour. Number 18. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is known for its high vitamin C content, which boosts immunity and collagen production. It's also low in calories and can aid in weight management. Recipe: enjoy a grapefruit and avocado salad with a citrusy dressing. Number 19. Apricots. Apricots are a good source of vitamin A, which supports vision health and immune function. They also contain potassium and dietary fiber, promoting heart health and digestive regularity. Recipe: let's bake some apricot and almond energy bars for a nutritious snack. Number 20. Soursop. Soursop, also known scientifically as Annona muricata, is a tropical fruit that is renowned not only for its delicious flavor, but also for its potential health benefits. The fruit is green and prickly on the outside, with a soft, creamy white interior. It is often consumed fresh or used to make beverages, desserts, and other culinary treats. Here are some notable health benefits associated with soursop. Rich in nutrients, soursop is a good source of several essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients are vital for overall health and well-being. Antioxidant properties. The fruit is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and alkaloids. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Potential anti-cancer effects. Some studies suggest that soursop may have anti-cancer properties due to its high content of antioxidants and acetogenins, which are compounds found in the fruit. Research is ongoing, but soursop has shown promising results in lab studies against certain types of cancer cells. Immune system support. The vitamin C content in soursop can help boost the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Digestive health. Soursop is a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid digestion, prevent constipation, and promote overall digestive health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Compounds in soursop have been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and may benefit conditions like arthritis. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits, but it's important to consume them as part of a balanced diet. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. Enjoy exploring these delicious fruits and their nutritious recipes. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider regarding any questions or concerns about your health and diet. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for quicker updates. Thanks for watching.